They were much
Possession, Utah contest.
They created a lot. They even beat China, remember?
Tama yun. That's right. Pakibalita muna tayo tungkol kay Troy Rosario, kay Mara Aquino.
Kanina, Charlie, pinag-uusapan niyo kung gaano kaganda ang ipinakita ni Troy Rosario. Alam niyo ba, pagkatapos ng Gilas Talking, nag-usap-usap yung management para mailipat si Troy sa Team Gilas sa laban na yon sa Saturday and Sunday, the remaining games. Ngayon, Troy even practiced with Gilas even that morning, yesterday morning. But in the end, they decided to keep him sa Talking Pack. Nang nakausap ko si Troy, siya mismo nagsabi, wala naman daw kailangan ng paghinga sa Gilas. At kailangan ng final 12 as many games. Kaya paboto sa kanya dahil aminado nangangapa pa siya. At kailangan niya ng playing time to bond with his
Foul out number 5, Larry Rodriguez. His first foul, first team foul for Talking Text.
Mostly positive talaga when you talk about how this guy has played admirably para sa Gilas Cadets dun sa SEA Games, into the Jones Cup, and here, the way he's been playing for Talking Text. What an upside for this very athletic, tall, and hard-working young man.
Yeah, that's the way he's been even when he got into college in his first year with NU. I already saw it. It's not as good as he is right now, but there is a lot of talent and a lot of upside. And he's using his knowledge of the game to play. He misses that, he just didn't roll in. Jai Reyes hit a three-point shot earlier, coming off the screen provided by Sumarino.
That three-point shot was brought to us by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Ito si
15 seconds on the shot clock.
Troy Rosario, he jumped so high na yung jump shot, ang hirap talaga
into it, and you cannot block it. And, you know, he's a quick jump, he's a quick release type of player, just like this guy here. Beautiful shot by me.
Jordan Mills,
3 brought to us by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband.
5 points already in the ball game and an 8-point lead being enjoyed by the Saints.
The fact that New Zealand gave Gilas Pilipinas a difficult time. Talking Text knew that they would have their hands full in this ballgame. Just 3 to shoot. Ryan Reyes kept trying it in from there.
Ryan Reyes!
So back na baka ng tref dito sa second quarter. That's brought to us by PLDT Home DSL, #1 home broadband.
Tama talaga itong ginagawa ni Jai. Lalo na ito siya yung Roscoe. He's not a point guard. He's a shooting guard in his quarter and 2. And by putting that, he's putting a lot of pressure on him. Maagawang pa niya. And there it is.
There's a slip, 2-on-1 ito. Let's see what Jai does. Hesitates, jumper, and serve. And that play just blew up.
Indecisiveness, whether to pass or to shoot. And that's what you cannot allow Roscoe. He's a guy who loves to shoot and penetrate quickly. You have to stop.
Foul number 10, Ryan Reyes. His first foul, second team foul for Talking Text.
Sa linya para sa dalawang puntos. And,
Two free throws for Brooke
bad decision on the
Roscoe.
part of Jai. Would have gone to Sumarino for the layup. Free throw ni Roscoe. It's at a smart, live the smart life. Missing the first, however.
Everybody who's watched basketball has always seen those turnarounds wherein you should have gotten 2 and you lost 2, or you should have gotten a 2 and you come back with a 3. So you know, that's part of the game and something that you can recover, especially if it's an early part of the game. Some elbows being thrown between Larry Rodriguez.
Si Ecanasio, a very physical player yan si Ecanasio. Same thing with Larry Rod. He'll take the 16-foot jumper. Can't knock it in. Rosario up there fighting inside. Hindi niya nakuha yung tip in. Roscoe now will try to push it up. Tapped away by Sumalinog, pero Pumito, 2 referees saw some contact. And mukhang babalik. Babalik sa linya si Roscoe para sa dalawang free throws. Hindi. Side court inbound ba? Ang sabi ng referee.
Yeah, he hasn't gathered the ball. So it's not a release. And Larry Fonacier is coming back in for Ryan Reyes, who picks up his second personal foul in that last play. There are 6 blue shirts, so Ryan has to get out there.
New Zealand asking for a technical foul. Pero Ryan was making his way. He had to stop lang dahil andun na nga yung bola, binigay na. Ignacio squeezes inside. And a nice feed, and New Zealand has shown that penchant for looking for a guy cutting to the basket para sa mga easy layups.
Well, it's a very poor defense on the part of Larry. Larry is not a good defender. That's the second shot for Larry. He can't make an easy basket from 8 feet, but he makes it from 22 above.
Masyado malapit yung kanina. Yung tref na yan, hatid sa atin ang PLDT Home DSL, ang #1 home broadband. And so he's playing tough defense on Roscoe on one end.
That's okay. If you foul him, as long as you don't foul out, you're not in the penalty. By putting that pressure...
Foul on number 15, Jai Reyes. His first foul, 14th foul for time test. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Yan yung tref ni Jai Reyes, second of the game. You know, he's guarding him, hounding him all over the court sa depensa, tapos titira mo ng dalawang tres on offense, making Roscoe look bad in this game.
Yeah, Roscoe just, that's a nice cut. He's really a two guard. You know, he's thinking offense all the way.
Ano naman si Jai?
Gotta make the right decision now.
Goes to Fonacier.
But that his first 2 points of the ball game, obviously, you're New Zealand, you know what Larry Fonacier can do. So he's going to be a marked man, and that's the reason why they are trailing. But once he gets started, you know, they can give them a good run for their money in the field.
Canasio and Watkins wanted a pick and roll situation there, but Watkins
Foul on number
not
10,
looking
Jordan
towards
Mills.
the ball.
His first foul, first team foul for New Zealand. Substitution for New
Even
Zealand.
further, tatlo na lang yan, lamang ng New Zealand. As we see, number 33, Sydney Adams. And you look at Sydney Adams and you wonder, you know, if you look at his facial features, medyo kahawig niya yung taga New Zealand na NBA player ng OKC Thunder na si Steven Adams. Something we should, maybe I'll try to inquire at halftime kung kamag-anak niya, Steven Adams.
Galing yun.
Kababayan sila.
Galing yun. As a rookie, he already proved himself. I think it's his second year. And OKC's not going to let him go.
Oh.
Especially if you're talking about a 7-footer that can play.
Cross-court pass. We find Mills. He hit a three earlier. This one bounces out. Good box out. Elrod over Adams. Not for the share. We'll push it up. Pang oras sa kanila. Shot clock 15 seconds. Almost halfway through the second quarter. Jai Reyes goes inside. They forgot about stopping that ball. Smallest guy in the entire ball game has 8 points. Is providing a spark para kay John Wichigo and Talking Tech.
By Master Facial Scrub. Tandaan, soap is not enough. Use Master Facial Scrub. Ang sikreto ng mga guwapo.
Sports 360. Talk about the goings-on in the world of sports and of basketball. As we're almost heading there. 5:36 to go. Jamil Watkins far from the basket. Goes over to Edwards, who we know is deadly. Sasaksak, basket agad. Just right off the bench. Immediately, umiscore na.
He's a scorer. He's a big guy for a small forward. I mean, he's a scorer. He can shoot outside. He can get to the basket. He's a leaper. Very difficult to stop. Rosario making
Troy Rosario.
Long two lang yun. Nakatapak daw sa linya, sabi ng ating referee. Adams goes over to Roscoe. Roscoe using the screen.
He's got to come out.
Edwards faked it. Open na yun. Bitin ang kanyang three-point shot. Bakbakan sa rebound. There's a foul on Talk and Text underneath.
Might be on Sumalino.
Foul is on number 18, Troy Rosario, penalty. That's his second foul.
Soap is not enough. Fight oil and pimples with Mafter. Sikreto yan ng mga gwapo.
The Talk and Text throw contesters is in a penalty situation, so I'll mean free throw shots here for Watkins. We already have 5 teams.
2 free throws for Jamil Watkins.
Troy Rosario, ito po muna. Pasok ulit. Ito si Mo Tautua, who started the ball game for TNT at the center slot. And Watkins knocked down free throw number 1. Si Watkins naglaro sa Jones Cup yan, pero hindi para sa New Zealand. He played for the USA, yung Overtake Select team. Together with another former import ng PBA na si Martin Chandler.
Pero this guy's been making his money overseas. He has realized no more NBA dreams after that year. Really been making
Larry Fonacier, 4-3.
Second quarter, he's got 5 now.
That's right. That's brought to us by PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Well, see, Watkins is a former Georgetown Hoya.
Yeah.
And we understand Kevin Braswell, their coach, is also from Georgetown.
Maraming ganyan yung Georgetown. Fort Patrick, Alonso Mourning, Kembe.
Sydney Adams.
Those kind of players, the long ones that really block shots. He's not as good a shot blocker as he was when he first came to the Philippines. That was 12 years ago.
That's right. Pero yun na nga, we do remember him swatting those shots away.
Yeah, I mean, you can't make layups off Watkins. They're all gonna fly away.
He finds his way to his spot. Edwards, paikot-ikot. Iniwan para kay Watkins, and he'll finish.
Jameel Watkins.
The rotation a little bit late. You know, when Edwards made the penetration, there were two guys and nobody covered the middle. And the return pass made it an easy layup there for the big man.
A lot of talent on this New Zealand team. No? They've shown us na kaya nila mag-compete talaga. Gilas Pilipinas na kanilang kalaban. They led by as much as 13 points.
Well,
Pinahirapan talaga.
alam mo talaga yung team natin. We just need 2 or 3 more good big men. Kung sa mga 1, 2, 3 position, kahit sino.
Danny Siegel.
We really have to have big men to be able to protect the inside game of other teams and the rebounding.
Jumper.
Josh Buxton.
Para kay Bloxham from the right side. 3 minutes and 18 natitira. Tatlo ang lamang ng New Zealand. Talk and Text can't get over that hump. Talagang hanggang 1 point lang nila na ibababa ang kalamangan ng kalaban.
Well, as long as we stick close, we have a chance here. They have a chance here.
Siegel just scored a basket a while ago. Ayan, gustong uli. 2 spins. Jumper doesn't go. He's been missing those shots which he would normally make. Just a shaded area.
If you notice the defenders of Siegel, they don't jump on his first take, which is the reason why he always almost gets.
Sidney Adams.
They're all defending with their feet.
Timeout on the floor. TV timeout.
Sidney Adams extends the lead to 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, this game is brought to us by Master Facial Scrub. Tandaan, soap is not enough. Use Master Facial Scrub. Ang sikreto, napaka-guapo.
First half of action. It's a 5-point lead para sa New Zealand. They've been slightly ahead of Talk and Text throughout this entire first half. Mo will try to go up against Turner, and the lefty hook shot goes awry.
Well, if you force a situation, you cannot expect the refs to bail you out. You know, they're obviously good defensive position by the defender. And he tried to throw up a left-handed hook shot going away from the basket. Not going to be very successful with that.
Edwards open from 3. Blocks him on the side, bounces out, but Turner isn't there.
Ray Turner.
He's just far underneath the basket. You have to back him out. You don't have to worry about him shooting outside, but don't look and let him get an offensive rebound over your head.
Ito si Ray Turner, yung nakita natin yan sa
2 minutes.
Jones Cup. Those fans of the Tanduay Rampmaker might remember an import. It looks so much like this guy.
Danny Siegel.
Curtis Berry. Kamukha niya ito si
Yeah, I
Ray
remember
Turner. 1 minute and 45 going. Ito si Edwards. Finds Turner once again. Yun, out of his range ng konti yan. Drops it to Rusco. Jumper just inside the 3-point line. Rolls out. Tautua on the board. He'll take it. Go to Larry Fonacier. Minute and a half. Tautua from 3.
Yeah,
Mo Tautua 3.
a lot of statistical points. Defensive rebound on one end, making a 3-point shot on the other.
Maganda ron eh. He's supposed to be a center, post player. But he's confident taking that shot. You can see yung release niya, no hesitation whatsoever.
See, we're jumping on every fake. That's why, again,
Justin Edwards.
the way they defend, they don't jump on the fakes. They stay down.
You talk about confidence on jumpers.
Mo Tautua.
Edwards is the same thing on the New Zealand side. Really just stroking at these guys. So nice sequence shooting-wise for both teams.
11 points already in the ball game for Mo Tautua. You gotta push that up.
Vintage kay Adams. Ito si Fonacier doing a lot of ball handling skills. But Edwards takes it away. And this is going to be 2 points for sure.
Justin Edwards.
Justin Edwards.
Timeout. Talk and Text.
Timeout, Talk and Text. Apat na lamang ng New Zealand all of a sudden. 33.3 remaining first half. Erica, of course, in her immaculate white today.
Yeah, the other day she was in black.
Ayun na nga, kahapon, naka-black. Denok Miranda goes over to Danny Siegel. Balik kay Denok. He will drive to the basket. Good give and go between the two veterans.
really happy that two guys I talked to are coming out well today. That's Benok and Jai. They're really playing well on that point guard position, offensively. Benok should defend a little bit more. Oh, that guy.
Justin Edwards for three.
Killing him.
Press na naman yun. Miranda gusto sagutin. He'll jack it up. Hits the back iron. No call on that play.
At the end of the second
Katapos ng
period,
first
it is
2 quarters,
48-43.
lima kalamangan ng New Zealand, 48-43. Should be an interesting second half when we get back to Sports 360 at halftime. Abangan nyo po yan. Pahinga muna kami ni Dr. J.